of tits was looking out my window. I hastened to get a better look. I grabbed my phone, left out alone, and walked down the route they had took. I walked to where I spied them before, but they were hanging out there no more. I let out a sigh, oh well, said I, and I walked back in my front door. That was Monday. What happened Tuesday? I saw the same pair of tits whilst looking at my window. They were where I'd spied them yesterday. I prayed with all my might they would stay in my sight, and this time they wouldn't go away. I creeped out of my resident place. I tried to keep a hush. They were there close together, tried to keep calm. However, I experienced a sudden throbbing rush. I struggled to keep myself in check as the hands on my camera were busy. I started to sweat, my palms got wet, and the taste in my mouth was fizzy. I thought about all my birdwatching friends and how jealous they would be that these gorgeous pair of tits with all the right bits were secretly being photographed by me. I gazed for a little while longer. They were heading towards the outdoor gym. Some folks had a glance, but none were in a trance, which is the shape I now found myself in. But to my horror, 4 eyes turned and set their sights upon me. And out of sheer fear, hoping they wouldn't disappear, I tripped on a stone I did not see. Then what happens? My camera landed on the ground with the lens stabbing straight through my eye. Oh, woe is me, now I can't see, and it hurts oh so immensely to cry. So bird watchers everywhere, heed my warning. Or if you do feel so inclined, don't be a voyeur. You'll lose your employer and you'll end up going stone blind. I mean, you'll end up going stone blind.